Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on the Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would change your air filter. So you have your air filter box right here, and it has the filter element in it. This is the 1.4 liter engine, and it's the EcoTec. And so we have our filter box right here, which is on the right side of the engine, right next to the fender on the right side / your passenger side. We have two Phillips head screws that we need to back out, and then we can open up this clamshell and be able to replace the filter element. And so you'll back them out, and then they hold in there. They don't unscrew all the way out generally. And so the screws are backed out, and then we'll be able to open up this clamshell and pop this up and open like that, and you'll be able to pull out your old dirty air filter here. And if you've got a lot of dirt and debris in there, you can vacuum it out. There's not a crazy amount here. And then you'll take your new filter. And so we've got our new filter. This is a little bit different of design, but the same dimensions, where we have the metal mesh on the back for more rigidity than the one that was previously in there. And so then we'll just line up the filter element and get it to line and press into the box. And then you'll see that you have some tabs on the back here that are going to line up in these. And so we want to line that up. And then once those are lined up, we'll be able to close our clamshell here. And tighten the screws. Alright, screws are snug and tight, and so that's how you would replace your air filter on your Chevy Trax. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.